Arnold, College Africa. How are you today? And this data here was sent to us as a dump from the client. Basically, there's about 11,000 rows, but it's only a sample. I mean, they've got hundreds of thousands of rows, so they needed quite a simple solution. And what they're hoping to do is, like you can see here, it's actually between column B, the job number, and column K. So like in this case, you got the same quote number, but it's for the same job. So they only wanted to see one for the not instead of three. So the first thing we did is we went and created a table. If you don't know about tables, you should learn about them. I'll attend one of our courses or whatever, and there's a lot of benefits. Then we go to Power Pivot, add to data model, create the pivot table from here, and there's our pivot table. Now you'll see it's called table pivot 4 because I've made a few already. So I drag the job number into the rows, and then I scroll down to find the quote numbers, and I put it into values. And if you've been dealing with pivot tables, you'll know that things default to count when there's either alphanumeric mixed characters in the field or blank cells. So in this case here, the job number 2198 actually says there's 15 quotes. In actual fact, there wasn't. There was one, but we also, with this function we're going to count the blanks. So we'll say it's 2, but in actual fact there's only 1, and they were quite happy with that solution. So in the value field settings, if you've been here before in pivot tables, you know you can do all these things. And there's got a distinct count, which is a different creature altogether. And you press OK, and now you can see it goes to 2. So in actual fact there's only 1 because the other one's a blank. And as simple as that. We could have automated for the client, but they didn't need that, and they're going to run it when they feel like it. And I hope that this short little video gives you an intro into what you can do with Power Pivot, or just automation in general, or macros, VBA. If you need any help with consultancy, I'll be interested to hear from you. Drop me a message at sales@collegeafricagroup.com. That's Arnold, and thank you very much for watching. I look forward to your comments. Goodbye.